Good morning, everyone. I hope you all have had a lovely week. I'm feeling a little bit, sneezy, actually. It was... It was, raining all night, and, typically when it rains, I do tend to get quite, sniffly, sneezy. As you can see, but I just wanted to thank you all. I just wanted to thank you all for being here and supporting me. It means so much. And I'm very, very grateful and very appreciative of you being with me on this journey, and I have some really exciting things planned. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for your support.